Hi, hello friends, welcome back to Vaanga, Neenga and Suthalam YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my last video, Black Friday. I hope you guys like it and you can understand what is Black Friday and difference. And today is really freezing and snowfall. It's completely covered with white carpet like a snow. Amazing. For this weather, you know, if you make the lobster South Indian masala, that will be a great and good combination for lunch or dinner. So it will be great delight for you and your family. So that's what we're going to make today. So watch the video till end. Definitely you guys will like the video. Come, let's go. What we need here, like a crayfish, which is really that have as tentacles. So in this one we're going to make so nice, look great. So we're going to cut the small pieces and we're going to make, and we need lemon or chopped onion, tomato, split green chili, curry leaves and coriander leaves. So yeah, you know, tentacles, and I can see here, it's bite. கொடியிலே மல்லிகைப்பூ மணக்குதே மானே எடுக்கவா தொடுக்கவா துடிக்கிறேன் நானே. Guys, I am singing Ilayaraja song, so that means the lobster came very delicious and so tasty. So I don't know how to express the feelings, that's why I am singing a song. So you can try in your home, definitely it will come nice. Everyone in your family like and enjoy. Lobster is a so delicious dish, so never think that it's cost, think about it, so delicious, everyone will like it. So try in your home, definitely everyone like. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we will go to the Christmas market in a short period, maybe the next month or this month. And thank you so much guys, and you always giving us so much support. And I'm having gloves. Do you think that's why it's really cold outside, brothers? So that's why I'm having this gloves. The backside you can see there's completely covered with the snow, white snow. So the same snow it will be in the Christmas market. We go on rock and roll. Stay tuned. I'm your senthilkumararaja. Love you all. Stay tuned. Vaanga Neenga and Ulagam Suthalam YouTube channel. Love you all. Bye.
கொடியிலே மல்லிகைப்பூ மணக்குதே மானே, எடுக்கவா கொடுக்கவா பறிக்க சொல்லி தோன்றுதே